So I'm on my way right now to the dentist because today I get my wisdom teeth removed and I'm not happy about it. Last time I was on the way to the dentist and I literally canceled my appointment like 30 minutes before because I was just like, I need more time to prepare. But I've had like 2 months to prepare, so now I have no choice but to do this because my wisdom teeth are literally making my bottom teeth squish together, and I don't like that because I like straight teeth. So I actually decided that I'm gonna drive myself today because I don't really know anybody and I don't really have family here in California. So everybody's busy and I'm gonna drive myself, and we shall see if I'm gonna even be able to drive after the surgery because I think I'm tough, but I'm getting things taken out of my jaw. So we shall see because I have Trent on hold. Trent said that if I can't drive, then he will be willing to come pick me up and have someone drive my car back home. So I don't know. How's this angle look though? Because I don't understand. I'm not a real YouTuber, but yeah, we shall just see how. Okay, so I'm at the dentist. Which one was it? Was there a yes?
No, 5. I mean,
5?
You know, 5 each.
Yes.
You have to.
Oh, 5 each. Yeah. All right, we'll be right back. Thank you so much. So this should be fun. I am definitely debating on just walking out and just leaving while I have a chance. I look so bad today, but the doctor said that I could probably record everything going on, so we'll see how that goes.
You don't even need to do that. To do the water. The first one, the water.
I can't feel my face when I'm with you.
You pretty numb? Yeah, you're pretty numb. I think you're ready to go. Rock and roll. Hey, I need a wire water syringe.
Ooh, this is good lighting.
I need to get room. That one needs to have the cost of nitrous in it. Okay, turn towards me a little bit there, Serena. Perfect. All right. And Serena, if you feel anything uncomfortable, just raise your hand for me. You are going to feel pressure, and that's a normal experience with this. But if there's anything uncomfortable, let me know, and we'll get you further numb. What if I hear Serena?
Oh, this one. Huh? I was going to grab him for you, but she's sick and sick, so. Oh, wow.
You have, yeah.
Two for you too.
We have one out, and I'm going to put a stitch in there, and then we'll go to the second one. Yeah, dissolving stitches.
Honey, can I have you put your phone away right now during treatment? I can't have you on the phone.
She's a social media influencer. So am I. I'm a social media influencer too. We're on TV right there. Social media influencing, right?
Yeah.
We are. We're both are.
It's really cool.
Yep. Stitch over there. Thank you. Which one? Well, they're deciding on it. That was why I kind of left them. They were wanting to see what the cost would be if they use NCYO, so I was letting. Oh, short. There you go. Short. Front here, please. Give a small straight.
Okay.
Small straight.
No, I can go get one. You can use the crank.
Okay, first, yeah. Oh, it's so wonderful to be young. It is. I know the feeling. What are we doing? I have a local thing. I need some water. Go the way. Just walk that campus right over. Come on. I can do the work. All right. Getting stitched. Putting in a dissolvable stitch here in Serena.
Do you have the scissors,
I'm going to go ahead and go over it how we're doing this. These stitches will dissolve in 3 to 5 days. Kim, do you want to cut that suture nice and short? We'll put a little sponge in there. Everything looks really good. These are just really good scissors.
Great scissors.
All right, so halftime show. We have a dance for you today. The dance team's going to do the halftime show because we're at halftime. So I'm going to give you a rest. Can you close for me a little bit? Resting time. So we have 2 more to go. It's going to be about the same as this. Pretty easy so far. She's a great patient. She doesn't even bat an eye at all this stuff. Oh, we're running out of battery power. That little red dot's going. What does that mean?
That means you're filming.
No, I thought it does filming. Okay.
That's your
I thought you
camera.
maybe like get battery, you know, low battery. Low battery. All right. We're up here. All right. At least having a passer in the company. At least only passing in private. All right. What do we got from the trying to play work? Hey, Devlin. Feeling a little bit of pressure here, okay? Oh, so good to be young. So the only one that's going to give you a little trouble is the lower left one in the recovery. You're going to be swollen and a little tender on the lower left. This side you're going to just be like cooking on. You're going to have a great time. So this is your last 2. Look at that, baby. That's it. Laughs with me till El Ultimo. Dr. Morissette. Don't forget to get that my logo in there. All right. All right. We're going to put one more dissolving stitch in there. You've been an awesome patient, honestly. I was not making this up because we're on the video. You've been like, you haven't even like batted an eye at anything I've done, whether it was injection part or this part. That is unbelievable. So you're going to be heading for like a smoothie or a milkshake or Jamba Juice. Any of those would be fine right now. Once your numbness comes back, you can eat dinner. I don't have any restrictions for you, Serena. You can eat whatever makes sense to you. All of my stitches, there's 3 out of 4 will self-dissolve. You can brush your teeth like normal tonight. Watch your, yeah, beautiful. We're going to have you compress on a gauze. It will bleed for a little bit, so Kim's going to put a little gauze in there for you to, we're done.
You Walmart?
Clean you up.
Oh yeah, that's hot.
We're all finished. Everything's done. Lights off. She's the champ. So good. Didn't bat an eye. 4 wisdom teeth. 20 minutes. She was perfect.
Yeah, baby.
Yeah, baby. She's the best.
Link in the description for his information. Make sure you go ahead on over and follow him on all of the social
You got
media.
it. At Dr. Morrison. I think you're right, Kim? And we have at Dr. Morrison.
Thank you, Kim. Thank you, Kim. We love Kim. She's awesome.
She is awesome.
She helps us so much.
Practice in Ventura,
Yeah.
where I do cosmetic surgery.
She's awesome. I feel really bad. I don't feel bad though. I feel okay.
Does this work?
It probably looks really bad though, huh?
You know,
I can't wait to look at face.
I have a bearded lady in
Overall,
that's what I was going to say.
not bad. Yeah.
I don't see an outbuilding. So I'll just leave one light.
Okay, so it's been like, I don't even know how long it's been like a few hours. It's like 7:30 now. And overall, I'm like, I can't really swallow for some reason. Like, I don't feel any pain in my teeth, but I like I could feel it in my like neck, you know what I mean? I don't know why. I'm sorry this angle is so bad. The lighting is really bad, but I just wanted to update really quick because I'm sure people are wondering maybe if you never had your teeth taken out, like what it's gonna feel like. Maybe you're gonna get them out soon. But yeah, it's like 2 o'clock the next day, and all I can say is my face is fucking swollen. And like, girl, ain't nobody got time to put makeup on today. So excuse my appearance, but I just wanted to update because I'm sure people are like curious, right? Like, I was so curious and I couldn't find any videos on YouTube, so. But I have like blood coming out of my mouth, which is really great and gross. But you probably don't know me in person, but if you can notice that this side of my face is fucking huge, like bigger than this side. So this side I literally had to get like drilled out because it was impacted, and this one was just easy to come out. So impacted teeth, bro, not good. And I got all 4 of them out. If I forgot to tell you, I got all 4 of them taken out without being put under. So I just want to get you some tips really quick too. Get an ice bag, someone's talking. Get an ice pack. Make sure that you know, ice your face and shit. And then also, the doctor prescribed me some medicines, amoxicillin, and freaking Tylenol and codeine. So the codeine kind of makes me loopy, so I like pick and choose when I take that unless I'm like really in pain. But that's an update. I'm really swollen and it's really hard to open my mouth and my lips keep getting chapped. So also tip number 3 or 2, chapstick girl, chapstick bitch. Okay. I feel so frothy right now. I'm so hot. Let me just get the blood off my face. But anyway, yeah, I hope you enjoyed. I'm probably gonna do one more update video, but from here on out, just know that your face is gonna be fucking swollen and use ice packs. Don't really drink anything that's like hot. No spicy foods. Don't eat spicy, bitch. And water for days. And I like recommend one that has like a top like this, so you don't have to like put your mouth on it, so you can kind of like squirt it to the back of your mouth, you know. Okay, peace, deuces. I'm gonna go suffer by myself.
Well. What's up, crazy?
Oh, shit.